Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Jennifer A. Dulce from Philippines. I am 39 years old. I was born on December 9, 1985. I am finished secondary high school. I am a single mother for 3 children. My eldest is 18 years old and my youngest is 17 years old and 15 years old. My height is 5'3" centimeters and my weight is 58 kilograms. I work as a nanny and housemaid in UAE Sharjah, Dubai for 2 years. And also, I worked in China for 3 years. I can do household chores, like cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, marketing, and tutoring the kids. I can do also to take care of babies, change their diaper, feed them, bath them, and play with them. Mom and Sir, I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. Once again, I'm Jennifer A. Dulce. Mom and Sir, I am promised to finish my contract with you. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.